A rich-looking outfit with jeans is completely achievable. Start with the base. Choose structure over stretch, a rise that flatters, and a wash that's even and calm. You know that moment when you put on your jeans, and somehow the whole outfit still feels a little too simple, a little too "this will do"? You're not imagining it. Some jeans quietly pull you down, while others lift you instantly. And today I'm going to show you the exact winter jeans and combinations that make you look polished, modern, and yes, quietly rich. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which pairs elevate you and which ones keep you stuck. Stay with me until the end because the last look is the one almost every woman over 40 forgets. And it's also the one that changes everything. Dark denim is the quiet achiever in your wardrobe. The piece that never shouts, never tries too hard, but always looks expensive. Many of us hold on to old skinny jeans because they feel safe. I did too, until the day I replaced them with a dark wash straight leg pair. It felt like my whole wardrobe suddenly matured, but in a good way. Why this looks rich? Dark denim has depth, structure, and a polished surface that instantly elevates your winter layers. Light washes soften an outfit. Dark washes sharpen it. Try these winter formulas: dark straight leg jeans, tailored blazer and sleek boots, dark slim jeans, wool coat and a structured bag, dark denim with a cashmere turtleneck and ballet flats. Instead of "do these jeans hide enough?" ask, "do these jeans support the woman I'm becoming?" There should honestly be a special category in your wardrobe just for dark jeans. Not because they're trendy, but because they elevate everything around them. As winter started creeping into Paris, something interesting happened. I noticed that the most stylish Parisians were quietly shifting away from the light wash, slouchy denim we all lived in during warmer months, and moving toward moodier, polished, dark wash straight leg jeans. The difference is incredible. Dark jeans have structure, they hold their shape, and the inky wash gives your outfit instant refinement, something lighter denim can never fully achieve. No, seriously, look at this outfit. It's already lovely. But now imagine it with a darker pair of jeans. See the difference? The silhouette sharpens, the colors look richer, and the whole outfit suddenly feels more polished. Sometimes the smallest shift creates the biggest upgrade. Stay with me, because the next pair is the one women over 40 underestimate the most. Cream jeans scared me at first too. They felt delicate, high maintenance, but styled right, they are pure, quiet luxury. Why they work? Cream is softer than white and richer than beige. It turns your jeans into a winter neutral. Try these: cream jeans, lady jacket, cardigan, and loafers. Cream jeans with a coat and Oxford shoes. Cream denim with a blush shirt, a coat, and an oversized scarf. These outfits whisper luxury in the same way fresh snow softens a city. Quiet, clean, thoughtful. Nothing elevates jeans faster than a beautiful coat. A camel coat feels timeless. A black trench adds mystery, and a red wool coat brings energy. Play with texture. Wool, velvet, or tweed for instant sophistication. Accessories are what turn casual into classy and rich looking. Add pearl earrings, a gold watch, or a silk scarf, small details that transform the mood. And a structured handbag always finishes the look with quiet confidence. A single color story instantly reads elegant and rich. Try all white, all beige, or deep navy tones. Layering similar shades gives that rich, expensive feel. Different textures in one color family keep the outfit dimensional and refined. A timeless trench is one of the most powerful, rich-looking layers you can own. Not trendy, not loud, just quietly confident. Pair it with straight leg jeans and a pullover sweater, and suddenly you look like you stepped out of a Parisian cafe. A simple formula: straight jeans, pullover, tan trench, and flats. This is the kind of outfit that says, I'm put together, even on the days I'm not trying. Now, I know this video includes a lot of ideas, so I put everything together for you in my Elegant Jeans Style Guide. A simple download with all the key tips and tricks to make denim look refined and elevated. You can find it on my blog, the link is in the description. Black, gray, and charcoal jeans can go one of two ways: sharp and elegant, or faded and tired. Here's the modern yet elegant version. Black jeans, soft brushed cardigan, gold earrings, and studded Mary Janes. It's perfect for winter work days, holiday drinks, or simply wanting to feel polished without effort. Think of black, charcoal, and deep gray jeans exactly the way you think of navy or dark blue. Just a different shade of the same elegant neutral. That's why they pair effortlessly with both casual and polished pieces. And wait until you see the Princess Diana-inspired look. It's one of those rare outfits that still feels modern, still feels elegant, and somehow still feels powerful decades later. Once you see it, you'll understand exactly why it became iconic. Taking inspiration from the queen of casual elegance herself, Princess Diana, this look pairs jeans with a tailored blazer for a timeless, preppy vibe. Add low, comfortable heels and minimal accessories like a structured bag or simple pearl studs, and you have an outfit that feels polished without trying. This look is a little fun and a little old money. A sweater vest layered over a shirt and paired with jeans creates that subtle school uniform meets weekend chic feeling. Loafers tie it all together. Here's a layering trick I rely on every winter. Start with jeans and a simple sweater, then let a striped shirt peek out from underneath. Add a deep colored bag and darker white shoes for contrast. This combination creates depth and makes even the simplest denim look intentional. It's easy, practical, and works in every season. A black top layered under a black coat with dark jeans and heeled pumps creates a clean, classic winter look. It's straightforward, polished, and always feels modern. This is the kind of outfit that quietly says, I know exactly what works for me. A navy blazer layered over a pastel blouse with washed jeans creates a polished but relaxed outfit. Leopard flats add a touch of personality, while a red bag and gold earrings give it a refined finish. It's an easy way to bring color and interest into winter outfits without losing elegance. A brown blazer with an ochre knit pairs beautifully with dark blue jeans. Add a matching brown belt, brown ankle boots, and a taupe shopper bag to tie everything together. Gold earrings complete the look with a soft, elegant touch. Warm tones like these create a cozy but polished winter outfit. A rich-looking outfit with jeans is completely achievable. Start with the base. Choose structure over stretch, a rise that flatters, and a wash that's even and calm. Deep indigo, ecru, black, or a refined mid-blue. The right pair should skim, not squeeze. Length should elongate. The hem should meet the shoe with purpose. Then edit. A silk blouse or a fine knit brings softness. A blazer or trench adds line and clarity. Accessories whisper. A slim leather belt. A structured bag. Simple gold. A polished shoe. Each piece earns its place. A belt isn't just functional, it frames your silhouette. Choose something minimal in leather or suede. Sometimes a contrasting color can add the perfect accent. Swap the basic tee for a standout blouse, ruffles, lace, or silk. It brings femininity and focus while keeping the rest simple. The goal is one highlight piece that feels special but wearable. Some pairings never fail: a white tee, blue jeans, and a camel coat. The secret is clean lines, quality fabrics, and good fit. If you look to London or simply scroll through London-based influencers, you'll see practical wearable ideas you can recreate immediately. Here are the standouts. A sharp blazer instantly polishes your denim. High necklines are perfect for cold days, and while boots work, chunky socks and loafers keep the look modern and comfortable. Londoners love a bold print, and leopard is everywhere right now. Jeans keep the look grounded, but don't feel the need to tone down the rest. Colorful trainers and playful accessories make the outfit vibrant and fun. Sweat jackets are nearly impossible to find because everyone wants one. Brown is the classic choice, but add a colorful cardigan and the look becomes personal and fresh even with basic jeans. Gray jeans are becoming a new staple. The monochrome method, wearing shades of the same color head to toe, creates a sleek, put-together winter outfit without much effort. A British classic, the trench coat paired with a denim shirt and jeans creates a coordinated, balanced look. Suede boots bring warmth and a touch of luxury. Biker jackets are practically a London uniform. Add indigo jeans and a small knitted scarf for personality, and you have an outfit that works on mild winter days. The suede trend isn't going anywhere. Brown jeans with a tonal suede coat and pointed boots create a chic, everyday winter look that feels rich without being formal. I did mention ecru jeans, but white jeans offer some of the most sophisticated winter looks. Here's how stylish women are wearing them now. A long black coat with soft suede sneakers is incredibly chic with white denim. This silhouette is trending everywhere, comfortable yet polished. This one is more trendy chic than classic elegance, but it looks incredibly rich. A shaggy or fur-textured coat paired with pointed boots and white jeans creates a high-fashion winter look. The soft, ruched loafer trend pairs beautifully with white jeans. Add a black coat and a neatly placed scarf, and you instantly elevate the entire outfit. Chocolate brown has taken over winter fashion. A rich leather jacket with matching boots makes white jeans look expensive, modern, and completely intentional. Hailey Bieber coated winter whites. A dark bomber jacket, western boots, and a chunky white knit create a cool, modern winter look that still feels wearable. Jeans really are the unsung heroes of our wardrobes. They're versatile, timeless, and when you style them the right way, they can transform even the simplest winter outfit into something refined and elevated. It all comes down to how you pair them. Dark denim instantly adds polish. Cream jeans bring a soft, sophisticated vibe. And even your classic blue jeans can look quietly luxurious when you choose the right layers. A beautiful trench coat, a structured jacket, or a well-fitted knit. The difference is always in the details. Gold jewelry, a sleek bag, clean shoes, or a thoughtful color choice can shift your outfit from everyday casual to beautifully put together. Luxury doesn't have to be complicated. A minimalist approach with high-quality staples often has the strongest impact. And the best part is, you don't need to spend a fortune to achieve this look. It's about making smart choices and investing in versatile pieces that mix and match effortlessly through the entire season. So, the next time you reach for your jeans, think beyond the basic combinations. A few intentional additions can turn your everyday denim into the foundation of a truly chic winter wardrobe. And remember, rich-looking style never relies on loud logos or over-the-top pieces. It comes from subtle elegance, thoughtful layering, and harmonious color palettes. Pair your jeans with structured pieces like a navy blazer, a tailored trench, or a clean wool coat. Add a timeless bag or a pair of statement earrings, and your outfit immediately feels more refined. Fit matters too. A polished look often comes down to jeans that flatter your shape. Straight leg, slim, or gently wide cuts all work beautifully when they are styled with intention. And mixing textures like a soft knit with a silky blouse or a wool coat adds depth and quiet sophistication. Contrast creates interest. Interest creates style. So, as you style your next outfit, play with proportions, textures, and accessories. Create combinations that feel like you, grounded, confident, and beautifully put together. The goal isn't to chase trends. It's to build winter outfits that feel authentic, modern, and quietly luxurious at the same time. Because in the end, it's the small, thoughtful choices. The right shoe, the right bag, the right balance that turn an ordinary outfit into something extraordinary. And if you're wondering how to take your jeans even further, I have more tips waiting for you. Watch my video on how to make jeans look elegant. It's the perfect next step.